Yep, today I'm going to show you something you can do to your backing vocals to make it sit back in your mix. This is Nightmare by All. Dropped it during the Halloween time. Let's hear it.
How much scared can you really go to this end in the morning?
So the backing vocals is really dry. There are lots of things you can do to backing vocals to make them sit back in the mix. And maybe we'll do a video covering a lot of them. But for now, we're just going to check out one thing that you can do to make the vocals sit back in your mix. And maybe you've been hearing it before, but you didn't take notes. After this video, you're going to be checking out and listening out for this kind of thing. So I'm alloneprostudio. This is alloneprostudio. If you are not subscribed to this channel already, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get informed when we drop a new video. Okay, so let's hear it.
How much scared?
Let me show you the tracks. We have the instrumental here, this one. We have the main voice and the backing. We're going to apply reverb. This reverb here. Normally I use 50 cent. I'm going to leave a video in the video card showing you how to use 50 cent for this, but we'll quickly say route to this channel. Not route to this channel, only route to this channel. And let's hear it.
How much scared can you really go?
There's a delay here, so I'm just going to roughly add the delay to. I'm just going to set this on any point there and leave it. I'm not going to even check it back. Focus here is the reverb. So the reverb is going to make the voice there, the backing voice, not that clear, like not that bright in your face like the main voice. So we want to make it sit back. So this is what we're doing.
How much scared can you really go to this end in the morning? When you wake up, you can get rid of this. Bet not.
Okay, I think that's dope. There was reverb on the main vocals in the main song. Now we don't have reverb on the main vocals here. There was a technique I used. Maybe I'll make a feature video on it. So just stay around. In the main one we released, there's reverb on the main vocals. I'll leave a link to the song in the description of this video so that you check it out. So let's hear with and without the reverb on backing vocals. Let me play another part of the song.
You're on your knees, can't find your feet.
Now with.
You're on your knees, can't find your feet. Your mind washed clean.
You get the point. We're just kind of making the vocals sit back in the mix. We're using this reverb technique to do it. You hear a lot of use of this reverb, and they even just turn up the reverb and use this in the way that's nice. There's no much rules to this thing. You can come up with a very creative style, and that's it. So reverb is one thing we use to make your backing vocals sit backward and put your main voice in front. So like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. I'm alloneprostudio. This is alloneprostudio. That's it.
You see me small, don't believe your eyes. Don't give in to a terror of light.